We're going to check your forecast this morning. A good morning to stay inside and watch some of that coverage, Jacqueline.
That's true. So tell us, when can we maybe go outside for a walk and stay dry?
Yeah, you know, throughout the day today, when we stop seeing the consistent rain, we still end up with scattered showers by this afternoon. And in addition to the fact that we'll have those scattered showers, it'll be windy, and we are expecting air quality in some spots to decrease back down to moderate. We're actually at good air quality right now throughout the region, and that of course is because in large part to all of that rain. So that's the good news, but as we head through the next couple of hours, I'm expecting that to deteriorate again. Here's a look at satellite and radar. It's pretty hard to find a dry window right now. You see those light and bright blue spots. Well, that's indicating just some light drizzle, light showers here and there. But once we get into dark blue, and then once we get into yellows, oranges, and reds, we're talking about moderate to heavy rain, which of course is a huge problem this time of morning during the morning commute. And it really won't get much better before the end of the morning commute. Temperature is very mild though. We're in the low 60s out there. It doesn't feel all that great. It's incredibly muggy and soggy, of course, but it is one of the warmest mornings we've had in months. Here's a look at our Piedmont 12-hour forecast. Temperature is not really going much of anywhere because we have all of that cloud cover and all of that rain today. Winds 10 to 25 miles an hour as we head into the afternoon as well. As we start to see those rain chances decrease, we'll start to see some of the clouds clear as well. It won't be a sunny afternoon by any means, but as we head into the later part of the day, we'll get enough clearing that we are expecting a rapid drop off in temperature. So that's something to keep in mind too, because of course we're getting so much moisture out there to start off the day, and that's got to go somewhere. So that'll be a problem for Saturday morning as well. The foothills temperature is getting to 60 degrees, winds 5 to 15 miles an hour, so not as high as in the Piedmont, where of course we're concerned about the smoke from that fire. As we head into the afternoon, those shower chances start to drop off. We're at 44 degrees by 9 p.m. The mountains temperatures start to fall a lot earlier because by 1 p.m. we're down to scattered showers and getting some clear sky here and there. As we head through the evening hours, by 9 p.m. already down to 29 degrees, so we could have some icy spots as early as tonight in the high country. Here's a look at our hour-by-hour forecast. We've got all of this rain out there, dark blues, oranges, yellows, even some reds at times. As we head into the later part of the morning commute, the rain is less intense, but it's almost as widespread as it is right now. So we still don't have many windows of dry air. As we head through the next couple of hours after that, we start to see that it becomes more scattered. It stays on the lighter side of things, and then heading into the nighttime hours, we'll start to see that rain dry up. The only chance for wintry weather we have is along the North Carolina-Tennessee border. We could have some mix at the very end of the event, but elsewhere we're just looking at those temperatures falling below freezing in the overnight hours as our potential to deal with wintry issues. No surprise, we're picking up an additional ½ inch of rain in some spots as we go through the day today. That's in addition to a ¼ of an inch we've already received today. Heading through the next couple of days, we're expecting more rain on Monday as well.
And Jacqueline, thank you. This weekend it's the Battle of the Blues, the battle between Coach K and the new head coach for UNC. That's coming up next in sports.